Hello everyone, my name is Nehal and today in this tutorial we are going to work with maproom. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with OpenStreetMap in maproom for 3ds Max. So firstly, open maproom. This is maproom, the triangle logo which downloads everything from the satellite. It might take a while. Alright, it's done. So we'll go to the OpenStreetMap and satellite layer. In the scenes you can see there are many options because I already have a map downloaded which is on the other side of the viewport, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So let's click on this one, and over here you can see find a location by name. So I'm gonna type a location, like clicking on find location by name. Just enter the location you want. I'll enter Melbourne City and look up for location. Here you go. Click on the Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, and just click on OK. So you can see the location has changed. And then I'll go to the terrain map which downloads a map from satellite, and over here in the area you can just change the width and the height. Basically this is the area which you want for the map, like the area of Melbourne City or any other location. So I'm gonna take 3 by 3 and then estimate zoom level. I'll click on it, and then because the zoom level should not be below 15, I'll keep it 17 and just update images. So it might take a time. It might take a few moments, so let's wait. Okay, it's done. So further I'll go to OSM, and again I'll type the area I want, 3, and over here you can see there are different types of layers which you get in the map. So you can just click on the layers, whatever layer you want, or just click on the full OpenStreetMap layers. And yep, then I'll just go to change the style shade which says system OSM style shade, and apply style shade, and then download and draw OSM data. Just click on it. You can see it's loading, so it takes a time to generate all the layers from satellite. You might need to wait for a moment. This software is very useful for architects and urban designers who work on the structural or the contextual data for the city or for the state. So you can see it's generating a data. It takes a lot of time to generate the data. You have to wait like 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, so when it shows solitaire nodes drawn, that means it's already done. So you can just close the maproom settings and just zoom in over here. Okay. You can see there are a lot of layers, and So yeah, this is how it looks when you generate a data from maproom. And okay, it's too heavy. Yep. And you can just click on the layer you want, and over here you can see what layer it is. Just click on it, and over here you can see there are different types of layers. There are too many layers over here. So yeah, all the layers which you need for the CAD drawings. So that's it. We are almost done, and thank you. Hope you like this video. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.